How to use Oberlo to make money with dropshipping. In this video, I will show you how you can use Oberlo for absolutely free and get started making money. Firstly, come on to aliexpress.com. Firstly, I'm going to give you some background as to why you might need Oberlo and what are some of its benefits. So guys, when I was dropshipping in the start, I literally had to put in a lot of things manually. So I was literally putting in names, addresses, shipping details and everything for 2 to 3 hours every single day, and that really adds up to quite a lot of time. So now from over here, for example, if I were to come on to AliExpress and now I'm gonna search for a shaver over here. So once I search for a shaver, I can actually see what a shaver is gonna do and how a shaver can help me. I can actually see how much a shaver actually costs. So over here we can see that a shaver is gonna cost me $33 and this particular shaver is gonna cost me $12. Then we have even more shavers which are not gonna cost me a lot of money. So honestly, there is a lot of variety. So what happens is that as a dropshipper, you simply find the products for cheap over here and then you sell them on Shopify or any other platform of your choice, and then you simply keep the profit. Now that is fine when you have 5 or 6 or even 10 or 20 orders a day. But when you have hundreds of orders coming in, guys, it gets almost impossible to ship all those orders, put all that information and everything, and get started. So for that we have Oberlo. So what does Oberlo do? Oberlo actually automates everything. Oberlo gives you the best dropshipping products, tracking ID, shipping information, shipment logistics and everything. So all in all, there are just so many things that Oberlo does that it actually makes everything super easy. So now from over here, once you come on to oberlo.com, if I were to click on the top right where it says dropshipping, I can see basically the dropshipping model. So over here, you can basically find, sell and dropship it. So dropshipping is a business model. You find the right stuff to sell, then find the right customers to buy it. You can test out new products and prices without splashing cash upfront, and no big cost bulk buy, no box stacking in your living room, no rolls of your sticky tape and shipping labels. And also dropshipping is totally digital. You can build your own store and you can do the selling. Your suppliers sort the inventory and ship orders directly to your shoppers. There is no paying suppliers until your customers pay you, and that's the sweet spot. You buy at one price and sell at another, the profit in between all yours. So that is basically the whole purpose of Oberlo, because if this was not the purpose, then Oberlo wouldn't exist. And that is why Oberlo has millions of people using it, making a full-time income. They have over 100 million products that have been sold using Oberlo, and you can think of it as the keys of a virtual warehouse packed with products from thousands of suppliers, electronics, fashion, beauty, toys, you name it, you can find it. In just a few clicks, Oberlo lets you grab your products, customize the details, and then pull them into your online store. And let's be real, it's no get-rich-quick scheme, but others have made it, so can you. Just bring your hustle and we'll hook you up with tools to self-start your business. Now from over here, you can basically see that you can find millions of products using Oberlo. They have powerful product data, and then they have even more features as well. So honestly, you can get started pretty quickly. So now we're gonna explore some of their membership plans. So if I click on explore membership plans, I can see their membership plan. So we have the basic plan, which is the explorer plan, and this is gonna cost you free. So this is free, and you can actually get 500 products with this, but you are not gonna be making bulk orders. You are not gonna be doing any shipment tracking. You are not going to be doing any staff accounts, affiliate program, capture solver whatsoever. All that is available in their basic $29 per month plan, which is basically very, very popular nowadays. So now simply click on start for free. And once you do that, simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then that is going to take you over to this page. So from over here, you can essentially simply put in your email, your password, and you can join Oberlo quickly. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll show you exactly how that works. So when you sign up over here, you can basically see that firstly you will be asked to basically connect your Shopify store, because Oberlo works with Shopify. So you can simply connect Shopify with your Oberlo account, and you can simply make money once you have your products in there. So after that, you can add your first product, and then you can simply go live. So now from the left side, click on products, and then that is going to show you all the products. So click on find product, and then that is going to take you over to another page, and now you have their source homepage in front of you. So all that you essentially need to do is simply pick any one of these products. Oberlo is going to take care of the shipping. Oberlo is going to take care of everything, And all that you will need to do is simply just click one button and your product is going to be on your Shopify store and you can literally start selling it ASAP right away. So we have we have these gloves being sold for $12. You can easily sell these on Amazon for like $30, guys. That is not a problem whatsoever. You have these cat holders as well. You have the glasses as well. Like these glasses, bro, like these glasses actually go for $20 or $30 on Amazon easy. So like honestly the potential is there, and I don't know why most people don't take full advantage of this. And you can honestly search products as well. So like for example, if I type in that same shaver over here, so like I'm gonna type in shaver, and now I can essentially see that particular shaver product over here too. So now from over here, we can basically see that we have the shaver being sold for $10. Then we have it being sold for $12 over here. We have it being sold for $2, like, $12 again. And like the variety is definitely there. And a shaver like this can easily be sold on Amazon for quite a lot of money. So like, for example, I'm going to type in Amazon over here, and then I'm going to open up Amazon.com. So once I do that, I'm going to type in over here shavers. Once I type in shaver over here, and now I can see that the very same shaver is being sold for $80 over here, for $30, for like $60. Like there are just so many savers, and these are the exact same savers that we had over there. Like this one is being sold for $150 over here. This was being sold for like what, like $5, $10. Like honestly, the profit margins are crazy. And guys, the most profitable niche that I found to be are these. So like this particular jewelry. So like this jewelry niche has been the most profitable for me in particular. Why? Because you can honestly buy yourself a bracelet for like $0.01, but then sell it on Amazon for like $3, for like $2. Guys, that is a 200% profit. And honestly, you cannot get that even in crypto. So like honestly, you need to be clever, and you actually need to like keep your eyes open and everything. So from the left side, you can simply click on products. So over here, you will basically see all the products that you have imported and everything. Then you have the notifications at the left side as well. So like that is a great too. So after that, we even have this import list. We have the home button. So like essentially all your quick features are present over here, and you will be good to go once you follow this video step by step and honestly be a bit clever. So for Shopify, what you can do is that you can simply come on to the website called shopify.com, and then from over here, you can simply start up for a free store. Now once you sign up for a free store, after that you will get the option to add Oberlo. Now once you add Oberlo, you can literally within Shopify in your store add product using Oberlo, and then simply make money from that. So like essentially nothing too crazy, and honestly very, very great. So like that is how it works, guys. And honestly, this is nothing too crazy, nothing too new, and you can literally get started within a couple of minutes after watching this video. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.